Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into OpenSea. To log into OpenSea, first of all, open the OpenSea application on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, you'll need to install it from App Store or Google Play Store and open it up. Soon after you open up the OpenSea app, tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. Now this will take you to the login section. Tap on Login and click on the Continue button in the pop-up. You will be prompted to connect a wallet. OpenSea supports various wallets such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Rainbow, Phantom, etc. Choose your preferred wallet and follow through the on-screen instruction to connect it. I'm gonna tap on MetaMask. Now, in order to connect to the wallet, you'll need to make sure that you have the specific wallet and you are logged into it as well. Open up any wallets from the menu and follow through the on-screen instructions. Once connected, you will be logged into your OpenSea account and you can start browsing, buying or selling NFTs. That is how you easily log into your OpenSea account using the OpenSea mobile app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.